The smart and easy building of the 3D printed NATF-23 by SODYs3D. You'll find all the important information in the manual, and much of it is also self-explanatory for almost all SODYs3D aircraft. On page 2, all the parts to be printed are labeled. Use the connectors, which I intentionally designed very tightly, as this helps reduce unwanted inaccuracies. To enlarge the slots, you can use the alignment jig. Connect the 40mm EDFs to the ESC before gluing fuselage parts 5 and 6 together. Fix the EDFs in place with hot glue. Glue fuselage part 7 to part 6. Fix the EDF covers with hot glue. Glue fuselage part 4 to fuselage 5. Extend the servo cables with a 20cm extension. And use my building tip. Remove the socket housing. Thread the cables through the channel. Screw the servos into the servo mounts. Building tip. Pre-drill the holes in the servo mount with a 1.5mm drill bit so that the material does not crack. After setting the neutral position, screw the servo mounts into the fuselage. Depending on the model, I sometimes secure the servo cables with a cable tie. Make sure that no glue gets on the cables. You can also secure them with tape. Now glue fuselage part 3 to fuselage part 4. Check whether the EDFs and the servos are working correctly. Then mount the receiver on the receiver tray bay, which is included in almost all SODYs3D aircraft, if you want to fly with a gyro. My tip, put tape on the underside and secure the receiver with hot glue. Alternatively, you can use good quality double-sided tape. Route the antenna or antennas. Glue fuselage parts 1 and 2 together. Then glue the nose to fuselage part 3. Glue fuselage part 8 to part 7. Glue canopy parts 1 and 2 together. Check that the canopy lock moves smoothly. Then glue it into the canopy. Important, make sure that no glue gets on the spring part. Sand the wing bonding surfaces flat. In this case, use the round connectors. Glue wing parts 1 and 2 together and align them carefully. Then glue the wings to the fuselage. Find the Elevon parts marked with an R for the right side. Insert the connector and check that everything fits properly. If the channel for the carbon rod is a little too tight, clamp the carbon rod into a cordless drill and run it through the hole. The speed will heat the filament and widen the opening. Check that the Elevon moves freely. Depending on which control linkage you use, a clamp holder is shown here. Drill out the control horn as needed. After assembly, install the Elevon together with wing part 3 and glue wing part 3 to the wing. Make the linkage in your preferred style. Glue the skid together and attach it to the underside. Glue on the canards. The right one is marked. Sand the mounting surface for the vertical stabs flat. Then glue the vertical stabs in place. Your aircraft is finished, and I wish you lots of fun with the Sea Widow. If you liked it, please subscribe and recommend me to others. See you at the next aircraft.